I hear it. That's the tub. See it? Just coming from the tub shoe. Yeah.
Number 5 is leaking.
Okay. There's our culprit. Half-inch and half-inch. I start with this side, but it usually breaks the tub shoe. Yep. Always breaks a little. See how it breaks it. Not always, but that's what this side is for. Still kind of stuck in there, but I'll be able to get that out now. It's still in there, but once we cut it out, oh, there we go. No. The threads are stuck or something, I don't know. There you go. Is this overkill? I don't like spiders. Spiders, cockroaches. Alright, we gotta cut this out. Oh yeah. Thank you. You can let go. So now we gotta get this tub shoe out. All right. Yeah. Wait, hang on.
Hold on, we gotta figure something out here. So the issue is these threads will not come out. I can't get a sawzall up there.
What if I sawzall it from up top here?
We might have to. I just don't want to damage the
Tub, right?
yeah. But I mean,
You want me to get like your sawzall blade or something?
I thought I had one in here. I don't know what the heck happened to it. Okay, we are back in the crawl space. There you go. There you go. All right. I don't know how I got that in there. Carlos is getting me more pipe so I can tie in. I cut this to the right height. All right, the water's on. I don't see. Ugh.